Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk about how to disable Windows 10 or 11 updates permanently. This video is for educational purposes only, so please make sure to create a restore point before performing any step. This way you can restore your system if any issue arises. Although Windows updates are very important for stability and performance, they can be inconvenient when gaming or for those who want to conserve data. This tutorial is especially useful for those who use limited data, as Windows Update can quickly consume your data. Step number 1. Temporary updates downloading speed. So what we are gonna do here, first of all, click on the Windows icon and then go into the settings. Once you are here, simply go into the updates and security, and on the left side you will see here the delivery optimization. Now advanced options. Now once you are here, simply check this option, absolute bandwidth, and check the limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the background, and also check this option, limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the foreground. Make sure set it to 1 MB and 1 MB, and that's it. By adjusting settings in delivery optimization, you can control how much bandwidth Windows uses to download updates. Limiting or optimizing this can help prevent updates from slowing down your internet connections when you are doing other tasks. Step number 2. Configure automatic updates using Group Policy Editor. Now for that, click on the Windows icon, search for GP Edit. Once you are here, let me expand it a bit. Now click on the Computer Configurations and then Administrative Templates. Now once again, Windows Components, and now scroll down until you will see here the Windows Update, and you will see here Configure Automatic Updates. Just double tap on it. Now once you are here, you will see a few options: not configured, enable, disable. We are going with disable, and then hit apply and OK. Now if you're curious about why we are disabling this option, you can read over here. If the status for this policy is set to disabled, any updates that are available on Windows Updates must be downloaded and installed manually. To do this, search for Windows Update using start. So that's why we are using here disable. You can also read the other options as well. Now close it. Group Policy Editor allows you to control the behavior of Windows updates more precisely. By configuring automatic updates, you can decide whether to install updates automatically or manually, giving you more control over when updates occur. Step number 3. Set network as a metered connection. Now what we are gonna do here, you will see here the network icon. Right click on it, open network and internet settings. Once you are here, click on the properties. Whether you are using internet or Wi-Fi, you will see over here, right? Just click on the properties and then make sure set as metered connection. Setting your network as a metered connection tells Windows to limit the amount of data it uses, including delaying non-critical updates. This is particularly useful if you are on a limited data plan or want to temporarily halt update. Step number 4. Disable Windows Update Service. Now for that, click on the Windows search icon, search here for services and then open it. Once you are here, select any service and press W until you'll get here the Windows Update. Now double tap on it, click on stop. Now startup type, just set here disabled and hit apply. Now go into the recovery option. First failure, set here take no action and reset fail count after 999 days. Hit apply and OK. Disabling the Windows Update service completely stops Windows from automatically checking for and downloading updates. This is useful if you want full control over when and how updates are applied. Additionally, adjusting the recovery option to take no actions on the first failure and setting the fail count to reset after 999 days ensure the service doesn't restart unexpectedly. Now step number 5. Disable automatic updates via a registry. Now this method is kinda advanced, so what we are gonna do here, we will create here a new notepad file. I will provide all the information in the description. It will be easier for you to easily copy and paste, you know. Now what we are gonna do here, click on the Windows icon and then search here for registry editor and then open it. Now the first thing is, that's the destination, right? We are going on this destination. So first H key, local machine, expand it. Now software, just press S key from your keyboard and you will see here the software, expand it. Now press P for policies and expand it. And now Microsoft, expand it. Now Windows, expand it. Now currently what we are gonna do here, we will right click on this folder, the Windows, and then we will create a new key. Now name it Windows Update, right? You can copy it from here. I will provide all the information in the description, right? Now once again right click on the Windows Update key and create a new key inside of it. Now rename it AU, automatic updates, right? Now in the AU, the automatic updates key, create a new string value which is dword 32-bit value, right? Now you need to rename it no auto update, right? You can copy it and then double tap on it. Now make sure base on hexadecimal and the value data is 1 and then click on OK and then close it. Modifying the registry to disable automatic updates is a more advanced method that stops Windows from checking for updates altogether. This method is effective for users who want to ensure no automatic updates are installed, giving you full control over the update process. Now if you want to restore, you can revert all the settings or just go into the restore point and restore your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.